Imagine bread, not flat but light and airy. Behind this lies an unexpected journey of ingenuity. Imagine bread, not flat but light and airy. Behind this lies an unexpected journey of ingenuity. Today, we uncover the fascinating origin of leavened bread. This culinary marvel transformed ancient human diets forever. It's a story of accidental discovery and scientific wonder. We explore the chemistry that makes dough rise so high. From ancient grains to modern loaves, it's truly remarkable. Let's delve into this delicious historical and chemical journey. Our journey begins in ancient Egypt, around 3000 BCE. Early Egyptians made flatbreads from ground grains and water. One day, dough was left exposed, perhaps by mistake. Wild yeasts, tiny fungi, naturally floated in the air. These living organisms settled onto the forgotten dough. They began consuming the sugars present in the flour. This process, fermentation, produced crucial carbon dioxide gas. The gas created bubbles, making the dough expand slowly. This unintentional rise produced a lighter, tastier bread. The world's first leavened bread was thus discovered accidentally. Ancient Egyptians quickly recognized this unique, magical transformation. They started intentionally, saving portions of old dough. This starter would then leaven fresh batches of bread. They often used a type of yeast from beer brewing. Beer was a common beverage, providing a yeast source. The yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, became chemically crucial. It consumes sugars, producing ethanol and CO2 gas. This gas gets trapped by the gluten network in dough. Gluten, a protein, forms elastic strands when hydrated. These strands stretch, holding the gas, causing the rise. This chemical reaction truly revolutionized ancient baking practices. Sourdough starters represent this ancient tradition vividly. They are a living culture of wild yeast and bacteria. These symbiotic microbes create unique flavors and textures. Roman bakers refined leavening, using professional bakeries. They spread these advanced bread-making techniques widely. Later, compressed yeast became available around the 19th century. This made consistent, fast-rising bread accessible globally. Today, countless bread varieties exist due to this chemistry. From fluffy brioche to hearty rye, all owe this legacy. It's a testament to ancient observation and scientific understanding. Bread remains a fundamental, nourishing staple food worldwide. The origin of leavened bread is a tale of serendipity. It highlights humanity's early understanding of food chemistry. A delicious testament to nature's microscopic, chemical wonders. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.